Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A27. It's really easy. All you need to do is hold on an empty space on your home screen. Then go to widgets on the bar below. Here we have a list of all widgets we can add. The list is pretty long. For each app on the list we have a few styles of widgets. For example, Google has 4 available widgets. They also have different sizes. I'll pick this one. Simply tap and click Add. As you can see, it has appeared. On the edges we have this icon and we can change its size a bit. To save it, tap on an empty space again and the widget has been added. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like,